I got one of those, well, two of those sound to light bars from Maplin's are discontinued now. They were £5.99, but they're down to £2.99. I'll show you a picture of it after this. Anyway, I've got one of them, and I've bridged wires off of two of the back of the LEDs. I did it before with my last dalek. And then extended them on cables up through the dalek. So if I whistle, sound to light. Just what I needed. Yeah, I've got to put the ping pong balls inside there though. I've got to hunt a couple out if I buy some of them. That's about it. Really cheap way of doing it, but dead fiddly if you're no good at soldering.